Haley Center for Media, the Planetary Society, and filmmakers who created special works of art just in honor of Mr. Bradbury. Ray Bradbury's life and work.
Millions of readers. Every week of his working life, Ray Bradbury has sent out love and to the world. And I think you will all agree with me that this world can use a little bit of love all it can get. So it is right and proper for the city of Los Angeles to pack up as much love as it can in a week and send it.
Advisor to the Planetary Society since our founding some 30 years ago. We were founded by Carl Sagan, Bruce Murray, and myself, and it's been a constant source of help and advice to us over those years.
Now, authors in the whole world from Olympic Boulevard at Brimfall. And as earlier mentioned by Mr. Koretz, the fact that you have and Mr. Weezar, this city has meant so much to you that it's come through your brain to your finger as you write all your tales. Congratulations. I think we should sing happy birthday, but I want you to leave. I don't have an A for you, but I got a big, big hand. Ray Bradbury right here. So great to see you in Wilson, France, in Sergio section. Come in there tonight. Mr. Garcetti.
Well, thank you. Now, Mr. Bradbury, we would love to.
Relations Board.
Thank you very much. Well, we look forward to your continued service, and colleagues, I urge your support for Ms. Mills. She has certainly exhibited a strong interest and involvement in her commission, and I think the city will be well served by her.
Agreement about where the boundaries of the communities of Little Bangladesh and Koreatown should lie. We encourage the communities to continue to work together, and with Councilmember Labange's great leadership, as well as President Garcetti and Mr. Wesson and others who came and worked with the community, they went out and gathered a tremendous degree of public input. They did a tremendous amount of bridge building among these committees, and the Korean community and the Central American community and the Bengali community all came together and really worked this through in a very, very positive way, which I believe will have a lasting impact on developing a very strong relationship among these communities, well beyond the limitations of this particular issue. So long after these neighborhoods are officially recognized, as a result of the process that we went through to get here, I believe these communities will have a very, very strong working relationship on many, many issues for many years to come. So it was a very, very positive day in the Education and Neighborhoods Committee, and I hope that it will be here in this council as well, and I would just urge your aye vote.
Thank you very much, Mr. Labange.
Thank you very much, and thank you, Mr. Wesson, and yourself, Mr. Garcetti, for your help here. As you know, this is in the greater Wilson Center area. In every areas of the city, often there's a sub-area, we call it that. And Little Bangladesh is a great, great triumph for those over 15 to 20,000 people who live in that area to have a little piece of a home in their own neighborhoods in Los Angeles. We're going to have two speakers, if it's okay with you, Mr. President. If I could
Absolutely.
Ask Mohammed, if you want to speak first. Announce your name at the podium.
And then after that will be Mohammed.
Working with various ethnic communities within Koreatown, because as you know,
hard work, and also Councilmember Herb Wesson and Councilmember Ed Reyes for taking care of the Koreatown. With a good leadership, it's been a historical moment, and today is a very historical day for Koreatown. And thanks to all the community members before us have done a great job for the Koreatown, and I assure you that our Korean